Hey, what's up guys? Well, I have another motorcycle project out here in the shop today. This is a 2018 Suzuki V-strom 650. I just picked this bike up here a couple of weeks ago and really didn't need another motorcycle, but it bridges the gap nicely between my Diavel and my DRZ. It doesn't show right now because I've already completed some of the repairs, but this bike was laid over on its right side and had some tank damage. Some of the fairings were messed up, handlebars, things like that. I've already repaired some of that, but I wanted to take you guys along for the exhaust install. This Delkevic exhaust is a good inexpensive bolt-on system. It's only 279 bucks, at least it was at the time that I bought it. It was a pretty easy couple-hour install, so I thought I'd set the cameras up during that and take you guys along. Tank repair's done. I got some new fairings and stuff on here, some miscellaneous odds and ends, some new cosmetic pieces and stuff like that. I know I don't have everything back on here yet, but I have enough to fire the bike up so we can listen to that new exhaust. Okay, I'd say that exhaust installation is complete. No leaks are found. You know, when I was younger, I really liked louder exhaust. I guess in my advancing years, I don't appreciate the noisy exhaust nearly as much as I used to when I was younger. That's why I chose the longer muffler that Delkevic offers here. The sound really, it isn't that loud at all. It's definitely louder than stock, but it's a very mellow tone, and I really don't find it annoying at all. It's like I said, a little bit louder than stock, but it's not annoyingly loud or anything. Definitely a lot quieter than the works exhaust is on my Diavel. It looks good. That carbon fiber weave complements the bike's looks nicely. Now the installation was pretty easy. Really, I only spent maybe an hour or two on that part of this whole project. I took a lot of extra bits and pieces off the bike that weren't really necessary for the exhaust install, but again, I was doing some additional repairs related to the previous owner's little mini incident that he had with the bike. So I'm gonna finish putting the rest of the bits and pieces on this thing, and I'm gonna add some crash bars to it, and we'll take a look at it once everything's finished. Okay, that wraps this motorcycle project up. Pretty quick and easy one. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I still have to do some kind of skid plate, you know, oil filter exhaust protection for this bike. I'm not really sure if I'm going to buy something that's pre-made or not. I'm not really sure if that Delkevic exhaust interferes with the offerings that are out there right now, but I may also make one myself. We'll see. In either case, stay tuned. I'll set up the cameras for that. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one.